Wow! Have you heard? Cartoon Animator now takes all Iclone motions. Yes, that is correct. All the dozens or hundreds of motions that you have for Iclone you can now drop onto your Cartoon Animator characters. IcloneFun says this is a game changer for cartoon animation. Just think of it. All your Iclone motions you now can use in Cartoon Animator. IcloneFun has been waiting years for this. So very, very amazing.
Well, IcloneFun really is amazed at this. Previously, it would take much time to do your animations in Cartoon Animator. Even with cartoon motion clips, it would take a while. Now all you do is drop on your Iclone animation clips onto your Cartoon Animator characters. Pretty impressive, I must say. IcloneFun says thanks for dropping by.